This video is about the business cycle and potential output and actual output. The business cycle. The business cycle is the different natural fluctuations in economic activity. This can be seen through the peak, which is the highest point when the GDP is the highest, and the trough, which is when the GDP is the lowest. And in between these is recession, is when the GDP is falling, and expansion, which is when GDP is rising. Potential output versus actual output. Potential output is the maximum amount of output a country can produce without causing things like inflation and having other negative effects, as well as using resources responsibly and optimally. Otherwise, they'll not be able to produce potential output. Actual output is the real recorded GDP of a country in real life. For example, the US's GDP currently. The difference between the potential output gap and the actual output is called the output gap. Full employment and natural unemployment. Full employment. Full employment exists when everyone who wants to work and is able to work has a job and is able to find work. Therefore, no one who wants a job is unemployed. Natural unemployment. This relates to potential output as the natural rate of unemployment is the level of unemployment that exists when an economy is operating at its potential output. So this is the rate of unemployment when the country is doing everything right and is at potential output. And that is all for this video on the business cycle and potential and actual output.